Welcome to the new videos. In the previous video, we learned about the fundamentals of MS Words. Here is the givens. You can see the screen. That is, we learn about ribbons, quick access toolbars, how to moving in the text, or by using cursors, scrollers, and by using keyboards. Then how we can select the text and what are the procedures to select or text or sentences, paragraph. Then we learn about basic action with document, like how to create a document, how to save a document, how to close, how to open, or how to print. That's all. Then we learn about editing document, like copy paste, cut paste, search replace, how to undo change. Then we learn about formatting test, that is how to change the font, face, size, styles, effects. Then how to apply highlight test, formatting paragraphs. Then what are the various type of paragraphs alignment. That was align left, center, align right, and today video includes about page layout. In books, it is given as MS Office 2007, but I am using now Office 2016, and hence there are two more options. There is no any page layout option here. That is design and layout tab is there. These are actually after the page layout in 2007, and hence as it is the updated version of MS Office, and hence it split into two tabs. That is page layout split into two tabs, that is designs and layout tabs. Let's start with page layout और डिजाइनर लेआउट्स. आपको भी ये पेज लेआउट हिसाब है 2007 के हिसाब से याद रखना है, क्योंकि बुक में भी ऐसा दिया गया है. Let's start with page layout and page setup layout. This is the layout, or in 2007 you got as a layout to page layout. The layout is consist of various type of groups. That is one of the page setups, then paragraphs, then array. Let's start with page setup group. These are the page setup group. What are the? We can design the margins. We can change the orientations. These two are in the books, columns and styles. That will not now learn about how to set the margins and how to set the orientation. What are the procedures? Page setup group. First, you have to go to the page layout, that is layout tabs. Then go to the page setup group. This is the page setup group. You can see here. Then within the page setup group, how we can set the margin of a page is margin के सेट कर सकते। फर्स्ट पेज लेआउट टैब को जाना है, उसके बाद पेज सेटअप ग्रुप पे जाना है, उसके बाद मार्जिन में क्लिक करना है, उसके बाद प्रीव्यू आएगा, मैंने कर दिया। अभी नॉर्मल में है, उसका साइज है टॉप साइड 2.54, बॉटम्स ऑल आर इक्वल सेंटीमीटर दियर्स। नैरो करना है तो उसका भी सेंटीमीटर थोड़ा घट जाएगा, 1.27 हो जाएगा। और मॉडरेट है, वाइड है, जो कुछ चाहिए वहाँ पर आप यहाँ पर सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और कस्टम मार्जिन करके भी हम अपने हिसाब से टॉप, बॉटम, लेफ्ट एंड राइट वी कैन कंसिडर। These are we can say. Let's change some margins. Now it is normal form. I just change to narrows. You can see here it sphere is margins 1.5 1.5 centimeters. But again I changes into normal forms 2.5. The 2.5 centimeter is this. This the narrows or any other moderate is there also. तो पहले हम कुछ भी डॉक्यूमेंट लिखने से पहले we can change the margins by going to the layout, or in 2007 you have to go to the page layout, then within the page layout you have to go to the page setups. Let's change to normal fonts. In normal cases we have to print in normal fonts. If you want to more space, then you can change from layout or page layout, then page setup. Now next function is that within the layout tab another function is given is to change page orientations. पेज ओरिएंटेशन क्या होता है? पेज ओरिएंटेशन जब प्रिंट करते हैं तब वो किस प्रकार का प्रिंट होगा और किस प्रकार का व्यू होगा। फर्स्ट वन इज द वन पोर्ट्रेट एंड अनदर लैंडस्केप। लैंडस्केप में लिखना है या पोर्ट्रेट में लिखना है और प्रिंट करना है, ये सब यहाँ पर हम सेट कर सकते हैं। प्रोसीजर है पेज लेआउट, देन ओरिएंटेशन, देन पोर्ट्रेट एंड लैंडस्केप। देखिए यहाँ पे जाए लेआउट गए, उसके बाद ओरिएंटेशन के गए, तो अभी पोर्ट्रेट है, लैंडस्केप कर दिया, बड़ा हो गया। इसको मैं थोड़ा छोटा कर देता हूँ। पेज को हम 90 डिग्री जैसे घुमा देंगे और व्हेन यू रोटेट द पेज टू 90 डिग्री then you will find like this. This is the page size. Or if I changes it into a portrait, it will change to rotate to 90 degrees, or it will just like a A4 size papers with vertical angles. When you turn to portrait landscape, it will change into horizontals. Let's see. I can change it to portrait. एग्जाम में भी आएगा पोर्ट्रेट लैंडस्केप कहाँ से हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं। तो बाय डिफॉल्ट यू हैव इट दैट इज द पेज लेआउट और लेआउट टैब्स एंड पेज सेटअप्स एंड पेज setups groups. These are two functionality given in the books also, and another size and column it is need not required to remember you. Next come to the page backgrounds groups. पेज लेआउट के अंदर पेज बैकग्राउंड ग्रुप होता है 2007 में, मगर 2016 में उस ये डिजाइन के अंदर है, डिजाइन टैब के अंदर। डिजाइन टैब के अंदर साइड में पेज बैकग्राउंड लिखा गया है, जो कि हम पेज लेआउट के पेज लेआउट के अंदर ही देखने के लिए मिलता है 2007 में। As it 2016 it is appear in the design steps. Let's see what are the functionality, what are the steps here. As you see here, just go to the to apply first what are the function in Page background group, there are three functionality available, three operation available. That is, one is the watermark, then page color, then page borders. वाटरमार्क करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद पेज कलर, उसके बाद पेज borders. Let's how to page give the page borders. Apply page border. Obviously, you have to go to the page layout tabs or in 2016 design tabs, then go to the page backgrounds, then go to the page borders, then you have to page border and shading dialogs, then put the border type, style and colors. As you see here, as you see here, the red color is here it is inserted only after applying the page border. I am inserting here by using the page border. Let's see one example with blank document. Okay, first go to the page layout or designs, then go to the page borders, and then choose any non-box shadows. Let's choose box, then styles, choose it, then colors, any colors, then what the width, and any art color is there, but when you give any colors, then you need not, then okay. You can see here the border counts here. You can change also. Okay, change it. For the borders. Sorry, not a page. Can identify. This is the steps. What is design goes, then page background, then page borders is there. Okay, then border style colors, then click OK. These are the steps. Then come to the page color. How to use page colors? Obviously, page color you can see here the icons, page layout, page background, page colors, then choose. I am going to change the page color. You can see here whenever I am overlapping here or scrolling here, automatically change to that colors, yellow color, red color, then these colors you can page colors. In here more color is there, hence more colors within in the below of the more color you can see your fill effect. Click there, then change to color or one colors, two color. Let's choose horizontally, vertically, diagonally. Center is there. You can see here I can modify the color of the background colors, stars and center background. dark color, स्टार कलर्स। तो इसका स्टेप क्या है? डिजाइन a page layout, then go to the page background. Within that page background, you have to set up the page. Now, what is the three number functionality? First one, page borders. Second one, page color. Third one is the watercolors. First steps: page layout steps, page background, watercolors, then custom watermarks, then choose the picture waters, then text waters, then browse the pictures and add text or text as a watercolors on the page. Let's see how it is. Watermarks, you can choose also. Otherwise, you can custom watermarks, text colors. Let's write here text names. Sun. रोशन साहू भी है क्या है 10th क्लास में ना? Okay, you can see here the background change into Rosan Sahu. Let's change its color. Color should be applied. There's little about changes, but you can watermark. You cannot. It could cannot be seen as a dark. It just lightly over inserted in the middles or any other as you specify. You can also change the text into picture watermark. Let's choose yes. There is no work offline. Fix this. There are the watermarks, but it is not so clearly visible. So you can rather use text. It will be better. Okay, added here. This is the functionality of watermarks. Whenever the printer failed, in most cases you can see the note copy of any company. That means जब भी आप कुछ नोट वगैरह खरीदते हो, आपको ऐसे वाटरमार्क देखने के लिए मिलेगा नोट में, जैसे कि www. समथिंग्स लर्निंग हॉफ .com, जो भी नेट में से डाउनलोड भी करते हैं पीडीएफ और पीडीएफ में, तो ऐसे वाटरमार्क दिया जाता है सो दैट वो ऑथेंटिक करते हैं कि हमने उसको बनाए हैं. Nobody can see us, nobody can change it or copy it, and hence it is the one of the authentications procedure, so that we can using watermark we can authenticate or we can copy protect its privacy or copyright properties. उसके बाद next these are the steps within the page layout tabs. One is the page setup group, another page background groups. In page setup, we launch margins, page orientation, then page border, then page colors, then watermarks or watercolors. Now, let's start with tables. how we can create the tables, and what are the how we can modify the tables. These are the uh, that will be done here. Let's start with a blank sheet. It is what is the procedure? First, see the insertion point is here. You can move any other place. And then first you have to go to insert. Within the insert, there's a table option. Click here. Then scroll over the rows and columns. Whatever you choose the columns or row, that will be printed in the blank page. These are the 4 columns, 1 row. This is the 2 columns, sorry, 4 columns, 2 rows. This is the 4 columns, 3 rows. Whatever you want to, you can scroll over it and click. This is the one step. Step number 1 or method number 1. और नेक्स्ट मेथड क्या है? मेथड नंबर 2 में again go to the insert tables, then insert tables, enter the column number 5 or row number 5 or 6. Row 6. Okay. Here. Whatever you enter the rows and columns, it will be comes here. These are the method number 3, 2 and 1 and 2. But I am first to insert blank table, then to convert existing text to table. यहाँ पर और एक होगा. और select the insert tabs, then click the tables, then click on insert tables, then enter the column number and row numbers and click OK. Table will be created. Together step. These are the next second steps. Method number 1. These are the method number 2. Third one is the to convert existing text to tables. Let's see first method number 1. यहाँ पर 2 ऑप्शन है. इंसर्ट के अंदर टेबल के अंदर 2 ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा. एक स्क्रॉल ओवर करने से हो जाएगा. दूसरा है कॉलम नंबर एंड रो नंबर दे के हम कर सकते हैं. और तीसरा ऑप्शन है कन्वर्ट टेक्स्ट टू टेबल. पहले मैं एक बना देता हूँ यहाँ पर, जैसे कि सीरियल नंबर्स, सीरियल एसएल नंबर्स, देन सीरियल नंबर के बाद आता है एन के बाद ब्रांच, के ब्रांच में के बाद डिपार्टमेंट, ब्रांच, रोल नंबर, सेक्शन, वंस, के बाद नेम विच, रोल नंबर 52, रोल नंबर 25, and a branch next S now to view and it was then I department S in this department is here the data, but we have not given within the table format. And how can we changes it? First, you have to select the text, then go to the tables. Then there is another option here, convert text to table. Convert text to table कैसे करेंगे? Text. Click here. After clicking, rows 4 automatically is detected 4 rows. Columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns will be 5 column. Then obviously it change, but little about you have to change. Launch तो लेना पड़ेगा. Manually you can change this. Erase that. Uh, This is the method, but you have to something something manually need to modify. These are the three methods through which we can create the tables. First one is methods ones by using insert tables, by scrolling the row and column. The next is by using column number and row number. Third option is the changes the existing data or existing data into tables, or converting text to tables. These are three steps. Here I am giving the note as well. Inserting blank tables, inserting convert existing text tables, यहाँ पे दिया गया है स्टेप्स वगैरह. उसके बाद how to add a rows above an existing rows, how to add a columns, कैसे हम यहाँ पर एक कॉलम और रो ऐड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर 4 1 2 3 4 5 column is theirs and 4 rows is theirs. I want to add another that is registration number, यहाँ पर मैं डालना चाहता हूँ. तो फर्स्ट क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट लेट्स सी, I want to insert a row. Select the rows where you want to insert the rows, or insert the row its above or its below. Either you can add its above, or then after selecting the row you have to right click that options. With after right clicking, there are various options there. One of the there insert option is there. Within that insert tabs, you have to click insert row above or insert row below. Let's click on insert row below. Then there is a blank sheet will be inserted. Now change to 2 row. Here 20 and say there's a section and elect that is electricals. Serial number and yes. These are the methods. How you can insert? Right click, select sorry. How to select? Just go to the left hand. Your pointer will be changed to black pointer. Then select it or double click it. After double clicking, it will be selected. Then right click, then insert, then rows above, the rows below. Above, it will be inserted here. These are the steps. Now I want to add a row or column, column just before serial number. Just go to the top of the columns where you have to insert. When you go to the top, the pointer will be changed to black down arrow. Then click here. After clicking, it will be select the column or the columns will be selected. Now right click there, right click, then go to the insert. After insert, just click insert column to the left side. सीरियल नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड होगा या राइट साइड होगा. लेट्स राइट साइड चूज करते हैं. When you click on right side, that will becomes the blank column will come. Then anything registration number. This is the registration one level. Anything. Okay. The steps. Let's see the steps. Place the insertion to add a row above an existing row. जो पहला रो है उसके above में डालेंगे. Insertion point रखना होगा. Then right click on the mouse. After right clicking insert, then insert row above. A new row appears above the insertion point. You can also add or add rows below the insertion point has above. हम वही प्रोसीजर से भी नीचे भी हम ऐड कर सकते. Now to add a column to the existing columns, place the insertion point in a column adjacent to the location where you want to new column appears. रखना है, पहले रख देना है और सिलेक्ट कर देना है. After selection, right click on the mouse, go to the insert, then go to the column to left and right, then new column will be. One another advantage is that you need not require to select here manually. You have to select there, but in this just place the insertion point and right click. It will also works. Insert column is there, then you can rows and above. हम इंसर्ट भी सिलेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं और जस्ट प्लेस कर देने से भी होगा. Now to delete a rows, just insert, insert it. I want to delete that persons. Just click here, right click, delete cell. Itself entire rows और एंटर कॉलम. कौन से कॉलम को डिलीट करना है ना रो को. डिलीट एंटर रोज हो गया. अगेन रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर में प्रेस किया, राइट क्लिक, डिलीट सेल्स. कौन सी delete entire rows. No, sorry, columns. Registration. The steps. We just covers inserting procedure, deleting, then another to apply table styles. टेबल स्टाइल अभी अप्लाई करेंगे. Let's see in a blank page. These are the tables. How to apply table style. Just click here. Click anywhere. Home नहीं ये on होगा. On the tables. Then design tab. Then within the design tab, table style is there. Then click to the endpoint. Just when I am clicking in the blank side, there is no any other designs rather the design page. But when I clicking here, another design tab is coming here. Another design and layout tab. When I click here, there is no design and layout except the install tab. When I click the tables, design and layout will be comes. Click the designs, then the table style group is there, and choose any. And see here it will change it is. Okay, you can organize your tables with any other colors, whatever you want to look your columns or rows, you can organize it. Okay, these are the method to apply table styles. डिजाइन टेबल स्टाइल को जाना है, वहाँ पर तो डिजाइन स्टाइल को चूज करना है. अभी है कुछ दूसरा टू चेंज द टेबल स्टाइल ऑप्शन. यहाँ पर एक टेबल स्टाइल ऑप्शन दिया गया है, उसमें भी हम चेंज कर सकते हैं मैनुअली. लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज वर्क्स. टेबल स्टाइल ऑप्शन कहाँ पर है? डिजाइन के अंदर एक टेबल स्टाइल यहाँ पर है. राइट साइड में सॉरी लेफ्ट साइड में उसका टेबल स्टाइल ऑप्शन इज दियर, where six another command is there. Header rows, first column, total row, last column, banded rows, banded column. And here you have to choose select whatever you want to change this tables. Let's erase the header row. You can see here header row erase हो गया है. When you click header row आ गया. First columns. First column when you erase the first column, the bar is hidden. Again when you click the bar is comes. Now banded row is there. Banded which is the rows or which is used to separate the rows between, that will be erased. When you click, the rows are inserted or the banded rows are inserted. Let's click on banded columns. When I click on the banded column, it will separate the columns between. Last column, when you click on last button, total rows. Okay. It is the last column, last rows. That is total rows. Let's see here. I can use it. Header rows, first columns, banded banded rows. When you click banded row, then it will alternatively dispense. तो यहाँ पर 6 ऑप्शन है जो कि हम इसके थ्रू से भी टेबल को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं. Once you have chosen a table style, you can turn various options on or off to change the appearance of the tables. There are 6 options. What are they? Header rows, total rows, banded rows, first columns, last column, and banded columns. Click anywhere on the table, then go to the design tab, then within the design tab, go to the table style groups. Group size group को जाना है, and then change any designs effect of the tables. These are step to apply our table style options. Now go to the to add border to a table. Table में हम कैसे border डालेंगे? Let's see with blank tables. Let's see in the table. Click here in border styles. Style. When you click there, change it. Just select and save this. डिजाइन टैब को जाना है, लाइन स्टाइल, लाइन विड्थ, पेन कलर को चूज करना है, देन बॉर्डर ऑप्शन को क्लिक करना है. Hence I am moving to position and create dot. ओके, उसके बाद क्या करना है, इसको सिलेक्ट कर देता हूँ, बॉर्डर स्टाइल चलेगा. उसके बाद उसका साइज थोड़ा बॉर्डर स्टाइल करने के बाद और स्टाइल्स वगैरह के बाद साइज थोड़ा बढ़ा देते हैं. कॉलर हो गया. Then okay, first select the tables, then change the table styles, then select it, then colors, okay, then border, then change whether all border or right border or left border, then all border, or change to the उसका स्टेप क्या है, पहले बॉर्डर स्टाइल, उसके बाद उसकी साइज और कॉलर, देन उसके पहले इसको आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सिलेक्ट करने के बाद स्टाइल करना है, लाइन विड्थ एंड कॉलर, देन बॉर्डर टाइप को चूज कर देना है, कहाँ कहाँ पर करनी है. These are the steps. I can also apply here. Select here, select here, columns rows, then border. Okay, कर सकते हैं. डिजाइन के अंदर गए, चेंज कर देते हैं, रेड कलर, साइज को. ओके. These are the steps to add border to a tables. Likewise, in layout tab, there are various other options there. When you click, the right side of the layout tab is there. You can here insert table, row, delete, erase, crop, and other option है split tables, split cell, cell को हम divide भी कर सकते हैं, split कर सकते हैं, उसके अंदर और टेबल क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. वो लेआउट में होता है, प्रैक्टिस करने से आ जाएगा. So these are the steps to create tables and modify the tables. These are the today's videos. Portion of the today's video. You have to remember the steps and you have to practice it in your laptop and mobiles or computers. If any problems, you can see the notes, procedure, and you can ask me anytime if you need. Thank you.